Hello guys, today we are going to discuss unit number 4, geometry, exercise number 5, question number 9. In rhombus ABCD, ABC, ABC is equal to 64 degrees, calculate BCD, ADB and BAC. First of all, we will discuss the properties of rhombus. Number 1, all sides of the rhombus are equal. Number 2, the opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel. Number 3, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. Number 4, in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Number 5, diagonals bisect the angles of a rhombus. Number 6, the sum of two adjacent angle is equal to 180 degrees. The two diagonals of a rhombus from 4 right angle triangle which are congruent to each other. 4 right angle triangles which are congruent to each other. You will get a rectangle when you join the midpoint of the sides. So these are the main properties of a rhombus. With the help of these properties, we are going to solve this question. Actually, I solved already, so now I will discuss with you this question in detail. According to the question, rhombus A, B, C, and D. This is point A, point A, point B, this is point B, point C, and point D. So this is a rhombus. Few things are the points which we should discuss before to start the solution. Number 1, segment AB parallel to DC. This is the segment A, B. So this is parallel to DC. So this, the sign is given. Point number 2, segment AD parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So this is BC and this is AD. So these two segments are parallel. And the third point is segment AB is equal to segment DC and segment AD is equal to segment BC. So this is the information which is necessary that we should know to before to start the solution. Next, supplementary angles add up to 102 are adjacent angles may add up to 180. For example, angle C and D, when we will add, these will be equal 180. Or if we will add angle B and A, so it should be 180. Like this means all the adjacent angles should be up to 180. And the information which is given in the question, that is angle ABC is equal to 64 degrees. This information is given in the question. And the information which is required, that is number A, B, C, D. Then part B is angle ADB, and number 3 is angle BAC, which I already solved, and the answers are given already in front of these points, are these angles. So the main thing, diagonals AC, diagonal AC, this is point A and this is C, bisect DB at point O. This is diagonal DB. So AB bisect AC bisect DB, or DB bisect AC. So we mark by ourselves this point O. This point O is marked by ourselves, and this is the angle 90. So first of all, we have to calculate BCD. Angle ABC plus angle BCD, because these two are adjacent angle and add up to 180. So 64, angle ABC is given in the question, that is ABC is equal to 64, and we have to calculate BCD. So is equal to 180. So 64 we will minus from 64, and from 80 also we will minus this 64. from 180, and this 64 will be cancelled with 64 because this is plus and this is minus. So here will be 0, answer will be 0, and on the other side it will be 116. So the angle BCD is equal to 116. So this angle B, C, and D, these are the points. So this is equal 116. And this is the answer of the first part, which is required in the question. Second part is ADB is equal to 32. ADB, which I already solved, and that is equal 132. How this is 132? So this we have to understand now. The next point is opposite angles are equal. So angle ABC, which is given in the question, is equal to 64. So this 64 should be divided by 2. Angle ABC, that is equal to 64. So it is divided by 2. Then the required information is 32. And our required information is ADB. And this is ADB because this is opposite to angle ABO, because ABO is equal to 32 also. So this angle will be ADB is equal to 32. Why 32? Because angle ABC, this angle is equal to 64, which already I wrote it. And the opposite angle is D, so this is equal to ADC is equal to ABC, and that is 64. That should be divided by 2, and our required angle is ADB, that is equal 32. So due to this, I wrote the answer 32. So next point is angle BAC. Angle BAC, this is point B, and this is A, and this is C. But C, because already we calculated C, that is 116. BCD is 116, which already we calculated this angle 116, and angle BAD is opposite angle of BCD, so it will be 116. So angle BAD is divided by 2 because we need half. So 116 divided by 2 is equal to 58 degrees. So our required angle BAC. So our this required angle will be equal to 58 because this angle A is 116. Why? Because the C is 116, because these two angles are opposite, and this is divided by 2. So due to this, the angle BAC will be 58, means the half of 116. So another way that we can solve this part, to understand this part, there is another point, that the triangle AOB, this triangle AOB, this is a triangle. So the interior angles of a triangle, we can add up to 180. So from 180, we can minus this right angle, means point O, that is 90. And then this angle B, means the angle ABO will be 32. And we can subtract from 180, 90, and 32. And the remaining angle is 58. And that 58 is angle BAC, or we can say angle BAO. So this is our remaining angle, and the answer of angle BAC will be 58. So I hope that this will be helpful for you. If you have any suggestion or any opinion, please write in the chat box. Thank you for watching.